Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular air fryer ovens, the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven and the Ninja DZ550 Foodie. We'll be going through various categories to see how these two products stack up against each other. But before we dive into the comparison, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Let's start with the price. The Gourmia Air Fryer Oven is priced at $59, making it an affordable option for those on a budget. On the other hand, the Ninja DZ550 Foodie is priced at $249, which is a bit more expensive. Keep in mind that both products offer different features and capabilities, so the price difference is understandable. When it comes to cooking capacity, the Ninja DZ550 Foodie takes the lead. With its DualZone technology, it allows you to cook two different foods at the same time without any flavor mixing. It has a spacious 10-quart capacity, perfect for large family meals. On the other hand, the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven offers a decent capacity but doesn't provide the same level of versatility. Both the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven and the Ninja DZ550 Foodie offer multiple cooking programs to suit your culinary needs. The Gourmia Air Fryer Oven features 12 one-touch digital presets, allowing you to easily select the desired cooking mode. The Ninja DZ550 Foodie, on the other hand, offers 6 versatile cooking programs, including air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Cleaning up after cooking is always a hassle, but both of these products make it easier for you. The Gourmia Air Fryer Oven comes with dishwasher-safe accessories, ensuring quick and easy cleanup. Similarly, the Ninja DZ550 Foodie includes non-stick cooking baskets and dishwasher-safe crisper plates, so no more scrubbing those stubborn stains. That brings us to the end of our comparison between the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven and the Ninja DZ550 Foodie. Both of these products have their own unique features and advantages. It ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. We hope this video helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful product comparisons. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.